Let me talk to you about dating apps for a second. So Mutual is a dating app that's pretty popular in Utah. Anyways, I don't really take it very seriously. I just kind of mess around and screw around with people. Everyone that I match with, I usually end up saying something stupid like, please ruin my life. And for the most part, I never respond because it's just, I don't really have an interest. Anyways, so I continued doing that for a bit and then I matched with someone that actually skis. And they're like, hey, do you actually ski? I snowboard, but I got nothing against skiers. Talk for a little bit longer. The next thing you know, she invites me to go skiing with her. She says, I'm heading up to Solitude if we have a free pass. Do you want to come with? And I'm like, Solitude? I've never been to Solitude before.
I had no idea you took off. So I was still just sitting up there. I was like, huh.
Blue square, huh?
That was not the right way. Oh well. We both took a little spill. These guys are coming in hot. Very nice. Me too. I was basically on my butt the entire time. There's only a couple more.
It's funny, I was like, so I get confident. I was like, hey, this isn't that bad. And I fell.
I was basically just butt sliding the entire time. For me, there's no way to slow down unless I like just sit down.